Let's solve this given problem. Find the value of 3 divided by square root of 5. The condition for a simplified radical is that the denominator cannot contain a radical. So what we can do is to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by square root of 5. And let's focus on the denominator. Square root of 5 times square root of 5. There are two square root of 5s, so it can be written as the square of square root of 5. The square and square root will be gone, leaving the product of square root of 5 and square root of 5 equal to 5. And we are going to multiply the numerator 3 and then square root of 5. So the final answer is 3 times square root of 5 all over 5.